armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the EU group of forces and artillery have eliminated up to 285 Ukrainian troops, 1 tank, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 8 motor vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, 1 Grad MLRS vehicle, and 40-30 howitzers, as well as 2 ammunition depots. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar and Novomykhailovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Damage losses in this direction during the day amounted to 45 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks, 1 D-30 howitzer, and 1 Polish-made Krab self-propelled artillery system. In the Kherson direction, up to 10 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles, and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer have been destroyed over the past 24 hours. In total, 405 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,648 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,521 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,494 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,287 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine, in a statement said Russia lost 610 servicemen in a single day, including 1 tank, 7 armored fighting vehicles as well as 7 artillery units and 13 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 175,160 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,619 tanks, 6,993 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 404 days. There is still no peace agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of anniversary of the liberation of Kyiv region from the Russian invaders. We continue the struggle for the independence of our motherland. Glory to all who defend Ukraine. The Armed Forces of Ukraine in a statement said today. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky had an important meeting with the delegation of the U.S. House of Representatives from the Republican Party led by the chairman of the Permanent Select Committee on Intelligence, Mike Turner. Bicameral and bipartisan support from the United States, President Biden, and the entire American people has played a critical role in our country's ability to stand up to Russia in the war for our freedom and democratic values, Zelensky said.